Hi guys, my name is Will and I'm here to tell you why you should be a student at Trinity, College of the Bible, and Theological Seminary. Now, Trinity might not be for everyone, but it can be a great place for you, and let me explain why. Because if you're like me, you're time poor. Let me explain. I'm a full-time finance manager. I am a pastor who is currently serving as an elder. I am also an apologetics group leader, an apologetics class teacher, a small group leader, and also a husband and a father, which means I am always on the run. And I wanted to pursue more theological education, and it was really hard to find a seminary that was the right fit. And that's what makes Trinity awesome, is because they are actually very flexible as far as schedule is concerned, and it's specifically designed for people like me who do ministry but also work and are busy. So what they do is that you are able to actually take classes at your own pace, sign up for them as you're able, and then on top of that, while you're taking a class, if you need more time, you can also get extensions on the classes themselves. The classes consist of webinars where a professor gives a lecture, and then you write a response to that lecture. The classes also consist of library assignments, which means you go to the library and you read an academic journal and then you write a response to it. You also read a book that you write a summary of the various parts of the book, and then you have to source all of those. You also get to write research papers on particular topics using various academic sources. And you'll notice that everything I'm saying here is that it's written. You write everything and then you submit it, which is so nice because gone are the days of having to just make sure you read that one part of the textbook and you know that one word to fill in the blank, or you know that one phrase to be able to circle that part on a multiple choice. But now instead you actually have to read it, you have to understand it, and you have to interact with it, and then you have to source it. So for people who actually want to do academic work and not busy work, Trinity is a great place. But it also means that you get out what you put in, because it means everything that you're going to learn is going to be on you. You have to read it, you have to write it. And that's another thing I loved, is it allows someone like me who prefers to be self-driven and self-motivated to be able to do these things on my own, at home, at the comfort of my own pace, and also understand and learn academically. The other thing that is great about Trinity is that it's actually affordable. Seminaries, if anyone knows anything about seminaries, is that they are not always cheap. So one of the biggest things for me is I, like everyone else, am on a budget. And what's cool is that because of how they do things online, it allows them a lot less overhead. So it allows us students to be able to become students while not paying so much money. So it makes it affordable. And they're also as flexible as they can be financially for their students. And that is something that is actually sorely lacking in a lot of theological education, which is another great perk of being at Trinity. Now, the other thing to consider about Trinity is that you can actually write what you really think about a topic. A lot of seminaries will dock you and a lot of colleges will dock you if you disagree with the professors. But here at Trinity, what's cool is that it's almost encouraged, not in a way just to be disagreeable or cantankerous, but in a way that they want you to think for yourself and interact with it. So therefore, if you disagree with your professor, you're able to, and they don't dock points, which means they are truly about free thinking and interacting with the material. Another great thing about Trinity is the staff. Many people are already familiar with Dr. Braxton Hunter or Dr. Jonathan Pritchett due to their show at Trinity Radio, but there's also Andrew Armstrong, Dr. Selby, Chris Featherstone, Chris Date, and many others on staff there that are fantastic to work with. They communicate quickly, they are on top of things for their students, which is, by the way, invaluable for students who are working miles away and sometimes in even other countries. So if you're looking to pursue a theological education like I have, if you want to pursue higher education like I have, then I'd encourage you to check out Trinity, College of the Bible, and Theological Seminary, because I don't think you'll be disappointed. So take care and God bless.